ClickUp has rapidly gained popularity as a project management solution, but the question remains, is it a good tool? This video will delve into ClickUp's strengths, weaknesses, and suitability for various users and teams, defining a good project management tool. Before evaluating ClickUp, it's essential to define what constitutes a good project management tool. Key attributes include task management, efficiently create, assign, and track tasks. Workflow visualization offers visual representations of project progress, e.g., Kanban boards, Gantt charts. Collaboration facilitates team communication and file sharing. Customization adapts to different project needs and workflows. Integrations connects with other essential tools, e.g., Slack, Google Workspace. Reporting provides insights into project status and team performance. Scalability accommodates growing teams and project complexity. User-friendly interface, easy to learn and navigate. ClickUp's strengths. ClickUp offers a robust set of features that contribute to its effectiveness as a project management tool. Versatile task management. ClickUp excels at task management, allowing users to break down projects into smaller, manageable tasks, assign them to team members, set deadlines, and track progress. Highly customizable. One of ClickUp's standout features is its extensive customization options. Users can tailor the platform to fit their specific workflows, create custom fields, and define unique statuses. Multiple views. ClickUp provides various project views, including list, board, Gantt chart, calendar, and more. This allows users to visualize their projects in a way that suits their preferences. Collaboration features. ClickUp enhances team collaboration with features like comments, file sharing, and real-time editing. Automation. ClickUp's automation capabilities streamline workflows by automating repetitive tasks, such as task assignments, status updates, and notifications. Integrations. ClickUp integrates with a wide range of other tools, including popular apps like Slack, Google Workspace, and Zapier, enhancing its functionality and connectivity. Free plan. ClickUp offers a generous free plan that is suitable for individuals and small teams, making it accessible to a wide audience. Scalability. ClickUp can scale to accommodate the needs of both small teams and large organizations, making it a suitable solution for businesses of all sizes. ClickUp's weaknesses. While ClickUp has many strengths, it also has some weaknesses. Steep learning curve. ClickUp's extensive features and customization options can be overwhelming for new users, leading to a steep learning curve. Complex interface. Some users find ClickUp's interface to be cluttered and complex, making it challenging to navigate and find specific features. Performance issues. Some users have reported performance issues, such as slow loading times and occasional bugs, which can hinder productivity. Mobile app limitations. While ClickUp offers mobile apps for iOS and Android, some users have noted that they lack some of the features available in the web version. Customer support. Some users have reported challenges with ClickUp's customer support, citing slow response times and difficulty in getting issues resolved. ClickUp's suitability for different users. ClickUp's versatility makes it suitable for a wide range of users and teams. Small teams. ClickUp's free plan and affordable paid plans make it a good option for small teams with basic project management needs. Large organizations. ClickUp's scalability and robust features make it suitable for large organizations with complex project requirements. Various industries. ClickUp's customization options allow it to be adapted to the specific needs of various industries, including technology, marketing, healthcare, and education. Remote teams. ClickUp's collaboration features and integrations make it a valuable tool for remote teams working across different locations. ClickUp's overall value. ClickUp is a powerful and versatile project management tool with a wide range of features and customization options. It offers excellent value for its price, particularly with its generous free plan. While it has a steep learning curve and some performance issues, its strengths in task management, workflow visualization, and collaboration make it a valuable asset for individuals and teams seeking to improve their productivity and project outcomes. Whether ClickUp is a good project management tool depends on your specific needs, technical expertise, and willingness to invest time in learning the platform.